Hello beautiful souls, welcome to my channel Mystical Ani. So today we are going to do a general reading for Capricorn. This is from 16th of May to 31st of May. As I said, this is a general reading, so please take what resonates with you and leave the rest. For more accurate and personal readings, you can reach out to me. So the energy for Capricorn, we'll take out 3 cards, which will be probable obstacle, challenges, guidance and the outcome. Okay, so let's see what do the cards have for you, Capricorn. What are the probable challenges the Capricorn might come across from 16th of May to 31st of May. 16th of May to 31st of May. Challenges for Capricorn. 16th of May to 31st of May. Challenges for Capricorn. Challenges for Capricorn. 16th of May to 31st of May. Okay, what is the guidance? What is the guidance for Capricorn? 16th of May to 31st of May. Guidance for Capricorn. Alright. Okay, what is the outcome for Capricorn? What is the outcome for Capricorn? What is the outcome for Capricorn by 31st of May? Okay. Bottom of the deck we have the Star card. So I think you are somewhere juggling, maybe subconsciously, that you're trying to create balance between two things which are very difficult to handle at a time or together, to be handled together. Okay, so yeah, that is the challenge, or subconsciously that might be doing somewhere deep down. You know that you can handle the situation, you can make things better, but there is so much of a struggle going on in balancing the things. Okay, let's see what is the obstacle here for you, Capricorn. I think you don't you don't respect yourself enough, or somewhere you do not know your own value. I mean, it's the same thing but self-respect and self-worth is somewhere is missing, okay, in you, for yourself. Okay, so you need to be very confident. Somewhere you kind of let people, sometimes you let people cross your boundaries and kind of enter your private or personal space, which is not good, right? So you need to make sure that you create the boundary, you let people know that what is acceptable to you and what is not acceptable to you, because that is somewhere is coming as the guidance. You need to communicate what is not going as you expect, or what is bothering you, which is causing you emotional trouble. So that is the guidance, that you need to speak out what is not acceptable to you. You need to set clear boundaries. You need to let people know clearly that you will not accept a particular behavior or a particular situation that you are dealing with. Whatever is not making you happy, or not giving you comfort, or not making you feel respected or worthy, you need to speak that out. Okay, and you need to learn to say no if something is not acceptable. Okay, so that is the guidance for you, that if you want to speak but you're just saying everything in your head, you're repeating things in your head, but actually you're not being vocal about it. So you need to speak out, okay, whatever is bothering you. That is the guidance for you, Capricorn. The outcome here is, since I think given you have this tendency of not setting boundaries, not saying no to the people, and listening to everybody, taking care of everyone. Okay, it's okay, it's okay, I don't mind, let people say it's okay, I don't care, I don't care. So since you may somewhere have this tendency of listening to others and giving importance to others and not giving enough respect to yourself, and if you will say something, like for example, if something is not making you feel comfortable, and if you say no, this is not comfortable to me, and given if it is the first time for you to say no to somebody, that will obviously cause an overthinking, right? So somewhere you might feel struggling kind of phase, that whether I should do this or not, whether I should say this or not. I don't know how the person will react, whether the person will like it or not. So you are somewhere thinking a lot about certain thing and not able to come to a conclusion. So whatever situation you are dealing here with, Capricorn, if you do not speak out what is bothering you, it will cause overthinking. Okay, it will make you to be on the same loop, and it will make you indecisive. Okay, so that is the kind of energy I'm feeling, I'm getting here for you. Yeah, so the guidance for you here is to speak, to communicate, to be vocal about what you're not comfortable with and what you're not okay with. Okay, so that's the guidance for you, dear Capricorn. So that's the reading, guys. If you have liked it, please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.